You want more money? Then stop doing this. So before we do get started with this video, I just want to let you know that if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and also how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I've got videos coming out every single day. Also make sure that you hit that notification bell because otherwise you won't get notified when I put a video out. So make sure that you do that, and let's get right into the video and what you need to stop right now to make some more money. So people are playing it safe. So everyone has been taught this. You go to school, you get a degree, and you get a good job, and you stay there until you get to like 60 years old, and then you get to then you get to retire. And people are really focused on saving money because that's the amount of money that they're going to make, and that's just the way it is. But that's just playing it safe, you know. People are saving so much money instead of trying to make some more. Like, if you don't have enough money, you do need to save some money. But after you've saved some money, maybe it's time to put it into somewhere that can make you more instead of just saving it. Because, you know, a penny is just a penny. No matter how long it stays in your pocket, it's still going to be a penny. But if you invest that into like starting a side hustle or something like that, that can make you 10 times more money than if it was just staying there. You see, what everyone has taught you is just like, it just doesn't translate into making more money because you just make the amount of money that your degree is allowing you to make if you get that job. And if you don't get that job, then you make absolutely no money because you just have to search for a new job. But to earn money, you have to do the complete opposite. There is a ton of money out there, like there's a ton of opportunities that you just have to jump into. Like, I made a video just before this one on like the 3 businesses that you can start with under $100, and there's a ton more that you can do. Like, these are just the main ones that I think are the best that I put in that video. But there are a ton of ways that you can make some money for absolutely free. So there are a ton of opportunities. With this internet era, anything is possible for you. Before that, it was very hard to actually make some money online, but now it's a lot easier. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's a lot easier. However, you do need to fix your mindset, because if you don't change your mindset, nothing will change around you. You need to like think that you can actually make it. You can actually keep it going. If you don't focus on making your life happen, and like you don't believe that you can do it, and you only believe that you can get a job and that's it, then it's going to be very hard for you to have something change around you. You really need to focus on knowing that you can make this happen. And you do need to take a little risk, you know. Like, you have to invest a little bit of money, you have to invest a ton of time, and when I say a ton of time, I really mean it. You also have to put yourself out there, because if you don't put yourself out there, nobody will know. And sure, like, it will be easier for you, but then it's really worth it if you really put yourself out there and show what you have to offer, and have people offer it. Like, and have people potentially buying your things. Because when I first started this YouTube channel, I was very, very uncomfortable on camera. But after practice, you start getting it easier and easier, and now I'm just putting out videos every single day without even thinking about it too much. So that's one thing. You really need to fix your mindset and get right back and focus on actually making some money online or somewhere else. But you really need to fix your mindset and make sure that you stop from being in the rat race and just getting things together so you can make it happen. So with that being said, that was my video for today. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and that notification so that you get notified every time I put a video out. Make sure you also watch my other videos. Leave me a comment as well, because I always respond and I always enjoy your feedback. So, with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.